The network error occurred. An invalid command has been detected. Codec CNAJ0027 is not a common error, and it might be related to a network or codec issue in specific software or hardware, potentially related to media encoding, networking, or streaming services. Below are general troubleshooting steps that might help fix this issue. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Step 1. Restart device or application. Restart the software. Try closing the application where the error occurred and reopen it to see if the problem persists. Reboot the device. Whether it's a computer, mobile device, or media player, a simple reboot may resolve the problem. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or vice versa. Restart your router or modem. Test with another network to isolate the issue. NASH Step 3. Update software or app. Check for updates, whether it's a media player, network device, or any software that handles codecs or media. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Go to the app settings and look for updates. If you are using third-party software like a media player, check for codec updates as well. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clear cache. If this is a mobile app or browser-based software, clearing cache and data may help. On iOS, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, App, Offload App. Reinstall afterward. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Storage, Clear Cache, Clear Data. For browser-based software, clear the browser cache by going to the browser settings and clearing browsing data. Step 5. Reinstall application or codec pack. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Sometimes the issue might be with corrupted files. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app where the error occurs. Reinstall codec pack. If the issue is codec related, try reinstalling or updating the codec pack. For Windows, you can try using codec packs like K-Lite Codec Pack or reinstall the specific codec. Step 6. Check firewall or security software. Ensure your firewall or security software isn't blocking the network or media software. Go to your firewall or antivirus settings. Temporarily disable it to see if the error goes away. If this works, add the app or network as an exception. Step 7. Verify codec compatibility. Check for codec compatibility. If you're working with media files, make sure the codec being used is compatible with the player or the platform. Convert the media file to a different format using tools like Handbrake or VLC. Step 8. Reset network settings. On your device, resetting the network settings may help. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Step 9. Contact support. If the error persists, reach out to the support team for the application, media player, or device that is giving the error for more specific help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve or better understand the network error occurred codec CNAJM027 issue.